What's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Drinking with Kevin, the show where I make one cocktail I've never made before with one of my friends. And today I'm here with the handsome, the notorious Joe.
What's up, Kevin?
All right, so today we are making a Tequila Old Fashioned.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. So traditionally, obviously, Old Fashions are made with whiskey, but because Joe and I know how to party, we're doing it with tequila. And not only are we doing it with tequila, but we're going to do a flamed citrus garnish. So we're gonna light our garnish on fire.
All right. Wait, do people know this is filmed in the morning?
Oh yeah, so we are most certainly day drinking right now. And this is a heavy way to start the day, but we're gonna do it. Grab the tequila that you normally drink in the morning, Agave Nectar, Angostura bitters, oranges, matches, and for your tools you'll need a mixing glass, a strainer, a jigger, and a bar spoon. We're going to grab our mixing glass and fill it with ice.
Like fill it?
Like whatever. All right, so to start we need 1.5 ounces of tequila. Reposado Tequila is aged for 2 to 12 months. So 1.5 ounces is the bigger side of your jigger.
Yeah. I read the numbers on it.
Not everyone knows. We'll fill that up to the top. Put a little more. Okay. Okay. Welcome to the morning. And our sweetener, because we're using tequila, is actually going to be agave nectar to keep with the theme.
Agave on agave.
Yes. Touch my nose. It doesn't smell like anything. So we are going to use just a bar spoon of the agave nectar. And by using a bar spoon too, you can actually just dip it in at the end to make sure that all the nectar gets off of your bar spoon. Nice. Just keep it.
All right.
And lastly, 2 or 3 dashes, literally however much you want.
Exactly the opposite of how recipes go.
Recipes are meant to be broken, of Angostura bitters.
Wait, dashes or?
Yeah, boom, boom. Nice.
All right.
Those are strong dashes. Give it a good stir.
How am I spilling already?
I like your stirring technique.
What are you going to do with this?
Then we're gonna grab our glasses. We are using rocks glasses, and we're going to put a large ice cube in our glass because it looks fancy and it will impress your friends. So grab your strainer, put on top of your mixing glass.
Yeah.
And
this is how these work.
Yeah.
I never actually make drinks the right way.
And then we'll go 3, 2, 1, pour. Ready?
3, 2, okay.
3, 2. 3, 2, 1, pour.
All right.
Give that a good, make sure it's all out. Nice. Looking fresh. And we're going to garnish these with an orange peel that we're gonna try to light on fire. I've never done this before.
The orange peel lights on fire?
Yeah.
With
so
what? I mean, orange peels aren't like flammable.
So, well,
right?
We're about to find out how flammable oranges actually are. Do you want to get a good hunk of orange?
Right.
This is honestly super scary. I don't really know what's gonna happen. Yeah.
Ooh.
So we're going to, nervous. So you're gonna take a match. I saw this on YouTube.
You have.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, so let it burn off a little bit. Then you grab your orange thing. You're gonna, I think this is how you do it. You're gonna like let it like warm it a little bit. Try not to burn your fingers, just to get the oils to the surface. It's like, it's burning me. I was so close. Take 2. We're both gonna do it at the same time and see if any of this works.
All right. So warm, and then how do you spritz?
So just like
so
at a 45-degree angle, just kind of spray it at it.
45-degree angle.
All right, we're both going.
All right, so far so good.
Everyone is so scared.
All right, warm
it as fast as I can, and then give a little. Oh fuck. Woo!
How the fuck do you do that?
Woo!
How are you doing that?
And then throw yours in the glass.
Oh, it worked!
We did it. My fingers hurt. All right, taste test. Cheers.
It's pretty good, Kevin.
Tastes like tequila. This brings us back to our questionnaire portion of the show where I ask my friend a few questions, and if they answer wrong, they never get to come back.
Tight.
Question number 1. Would you rather go to the bar, club, or stay in?
Stay in.
Really? That's a lot.
Yeah, usually.
Joe loves to go out.
I don't.
What do you do? What do you do if you stay in? What's like your ideal stay in night?
I nerd out. Read stuff.
Sell cryptocurrencies?
No, that's done. Don't buy cryptocurrency.
The bubble is over. All right.
Or I nerd out with PUBG. Shout out to my clan.
What? What's that? What are you talking about?
That's nothing.
Is that Fortnite?
People on the internet will know. No, fuck Fortnite.
Cool. Hot take. Fuck Fortnite. I like that. All right. If you could only listen to one song for the next 6 months, what would it be?
Macklemore Downtown.
Nice. Downtown. Can you sing a little bit for us?
No.
Cut the bullshit. Get off my moped. Ooh, that was a good one.
Am I allowed to drink during this? Am I supposed to be drinking this?
Take a drink. Take a load off. Relax. On a scale of 1 to 10, how weird are you?
Ooh, pretty weird.
We'll compare answers.
I don't know. I have a weird sleep schedule.
Yeah.
I don't maintain like any sense of like.
Joe's very like serial killer-esque lifestyle.
I don't want to put it that way. But
I would.
no, that would be like more. I don't know. I don't really have like a set schedule for anything. I feel like if I was a serial killer, I have like a very set schedule.
True. Maybe I don't know the characteristics of a serial killer. I've never met one that I know of.
I don't know, 7.
Yeah, I'd say you're 6 or 7. You're like not that weird most of the time.
I do a good job at it.
He hides it well.
Sometimes.
All right, 2020 election. It's a big one.
Oh, wow.
The Rock, Kanye West, Oprah, or a write-in of your choice?
Definitely it would be The Rock if
Ooh, there's a caveat.
Kevin Hart is.
That'd be lit. That's like my favorite pairing ever. Would you rather have fame or fortune?
Oh.
Or neither?
Definitely fortune over fame. I don't want any fame. I never want to be famous.
What would you do?
This is already borderline too much.
Joe, like, I'm gonna have the blur's face for this episode.
Yeah,
well, do you have anything you would do with your riches?
What? I don't know. Anytime I try and like imagine winning the lottery, I never really get past like how I'd set up like a trust or an LLC, and then like have to hire like a fiduciary, and then like really the whole.
Joe's my fiduciary.
I'm not a very good.
He let me spend a lot of money on this set.
There's a lot of lights here that, or I don't think.
Was not approved in the budget. Do you have a spirit animal? And if you don't have a spirit animal, what kind of animal would you want to be?
Whoa. Probably be some kind of bird, right? That's what.
A lot of people are picking birds.
Yeah, birds are good because you can fly around. I think it's that sense of ultimate freedom.
Any specific bird?
I don't know.
Parrot. Parakeet.
No parrot.
Joe is a parrot. Like a crow.
Yeah. Oh, crows are pretty dope. They can problem solve really well.
Dark crow. Yeah.
While you're on YouTube, when you're done watching this video, YouTube.
What?
YouTube. Search on YouTube. Crows.
Just crows.
Figuring out puzzles. It's amazing.
What TV show are you currently into? Hashtag binge life.
Oh man. I haven't been watching a lot of TV.
Could be old stuff.
Top shows though. *Halt and Catch Fire*.
Okay.
*Mr. Robot*.
Yeah, shout out to Mr. Robot.
Definitely *Mr. Robot*. I can't watch Black Mirror because it's way too realistic. It was way too realistic when it first came out.
I'm just scared.
Now it's like horrific. It's like a documentary or something.
It's like real life in
terrifying.
2 years. I've never seen it. I'm too scared.
Yeah, don't watch it.
I don't want to. Do you have any hidden talents? So you're obviously good at things, but is there something like small that people don't know about?
Shout out to America's Funniest Home Videos when I was a child.
Wait, you're on America's Funniest Home Videos?
I am not.
Oh, I was like, what a plot twist.
There's a kid that could do the same thing I could do.
Okay.
And he won a bunch of money.
Okay,
It made me really upset.
You might win today.
Okay. I don't know if you know about this.
There might be a secret cash prize. What are you doing?
It's fine.
Oh God, he pulled in his ear.
Wait for it. Oh.
What does he even do?
You just fold it in half and you put your ear inside your ear and then you can pop it out.
I think mine are too big.
You're basically doing it. So I resent whatever kid that was for the past
Joe
25 years or so.
Could have been set for life with his riches if he would have recorded the ear fold 10 years ago.
Yeah, 20 maybe, 25.
Last question, what was the best purchase of your adult life?
Oh man.
What's like made your day?
Headphones are always key.
Oh yeah,
Bluetooth headphones especially.
Team Sony?
Yeah, or whatever.
He has Sony ones, so do I. I don't know why he's not repping the brand.
I got these like slim ones now.
Oh, you got little baby ones?
Yeah. They look like the Beats ones, but they're like 30 bucks and made by Anchor. Way
Nice.
doper. Shout out to Anchor.
Shout out Anchor. Nice. All
Or
right.
my motorcycle.
He also has a sick ass motorcycle.
Yeah.
It's all black.
It's on Kevin's Instagram.
Murdered out. Oh yeah, it's on my Instagram. Well, it was. I deleted
I recently
everything.
put brakes on it. It's tight.
For a while, it didn't have brakes because when you're living life, you don't need brakes. All right, that's all we have for you today. Thank you, Joe, for making this lovely morning tequila beverage with me. Until next time on Drinking with Kevin, cheers.
I have no side projects or an Instagram.
You don't have to tell them.
I know, but it's funny that way.